1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, ourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, remember your number.
Huh?
Starting with it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
One more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, actually,
Okay.
Who's 6?
that's lucky. This is lucky.
Who's 6?
That's it.
7. I'm 6 though, you're 7.
Okay, kids have a game, guys.
No.
Does everybody know what's in crosses? Okay, this side is noughts, this side is crosses.
Oh, yeah.
Right? When I call your number out, you have to jump on a seat. Now the way to win is you have to get 3 in a line. Yeah? Like tic-tac-toe. But it's not tic-tac-toe. Now the only thing is you can't talk, so if you might hear someone talking, your team's out. Hey, that's the first and 5. Can't touch the seats. Hey? So if your number gets called up, you go to your seat, and it's the first one to sit down. If 2 people get to the same seat, rock, paper, scissors, rock. Or gang on the wall. Right? So you have to go back this thing, back to the wall, that thing just behind the pole. Alright, let's have a, this will be now for reals. Okay, 5.
Talking.
Seven. 3. Okay, so this side wins. I've got to say too, you can't win on your side. So this group can't win down there, this group can't win down there. Right? So, okay, for reals now, you can't draw, you can't even help your players down. Right, okay, so 2. 8. 1. You can't win on that side. I told you that. 9.